Hello and welcome to my quick 2-minute screencast on my website, which I have built for the company Telecom Land. On the homepage, I have a picture here with some text trying to catch your attention, ready for all your telecom related questions. Underneath, a little bit about us with a link to the second page of the website where I will tell a little bit more. Some latest deals, so now available. A little bit of variation, again, a link to products and services we offer for the kids, latest iPhones, and also for the seniors, so everything for all ages. Underneath, I have a couple of customer reviews and also a footer showing the company's information. If we go to the About Us page, then we just see some facts about the company and a nice picture of a handshake to show that a deal has been made. Products and services, I've split into products and services. So first we see all the products and underneath the services and also the support, because I'm doing a company which is very customer orientated and services of the utmost importance. If we go to meet the team, there a little bit of an introduction that we're all local residents, as I am talking about a local company in the report. I myself am in here, so a little bit about me studying international business and some of my fictional colleagues as well. And if we press here on either one of us, we go straight to the contact page, because this is the most important thing. Customers want to be able to reach you quickly. Also with the map, and above also the opening hours. I hope you have enjoyed my screencast.